Hey guys, so today we are going to be talking about who, what, and where questions. Who, when a question is asking who, this means who is the subject or person in the writing. So who is the writing talking about? And a writing could be a story or it could just be a sentence, just whatever we're talking about. What means what is the action that is happening? What is that person doing? Where means where is the place that the writing takes place? Where is that person doing what they're doing? Here's an example. We have a statement, Sam played in the park. Who played in the park? Sam did. What did Sam do? He played tag. Where did Sam play tag at? The park. And if you ever have trouble not remembering these questions, just simply go back to the statement and find it back in the sentence. Now let's do some practice on your own. I have 3 statements right here, and I want you to answer who, what, and where questions for each one of these. I'm going to read them, and then I want you to pause it and take your time, and then we'll go over the answers. So number 1, Jack swam in the ocean. Remember to answer who, what, and where. The next one, Mary jumped on the trampoline. Number 3, a girl did homework at her house. So pause this and take your time and answer the who, what, and where questions. Okay, here are your answers. Number 1, Jack swam in the ocean. Who? Jack did. What was Jack doing? He swam. Where was he swimming at? The ocean. So those are the 3 answers for number 1. Number 2, Mary jumped on the trampoline. Who? Mary. What did Mary do? She jumped. Where did Mary jump at? The trampoline. Number 3, a girl did homework at her house. Who? A girl. What did she do? She did homework. Where did she do it at? Her house. Good job, guys.